Hey everyone, welcome to Tea Tuesday. Iced tea today, not hot tea. There's the kitty I want to steal. I wonder if you can see it. Hold on. Where was it? You see it back there? There's the kitty. Man, that kitty has been trying to avoid me. But I'm gonna get it. It's so fluffy and cute. Okay. So yeah, I want to steal that cat. I've been seeing it. Lily spotted it the other day. It's so fluffy and cute. And I haven't seen it in the front since it snowed. But it's been roaming the backyard. So maybe leave a little cat food out. Maybe steal the kitty. To be honest though, I don't even know. Because I have a lot of cats. I mean, the three of them are constantly at each other. And they just sit around and watch me because they think I'm like a big deal. Which obviously I like from the cats. But it's like, sometimes it's a little annoying. They're a little clingy. And I love cats, but I just feel like if I add another, baby's going to be mad all the time because she already hates Pumpkin. So, anyways, I hear Chris coming up. Nope, I think he turned around when he heard me talking. He's working on stuff down there. I never soldered yesterday. I need to solder it today because it needs to get done and I need to stop procrastinating. Yeah, so I'm going to try to get some of that stuff done and see how that goes. Finish that up with my new little area. And first though, I need to make, we're gonna have Philly cheesesteaks. So I'm gonna use it. And this, that onion feels soft. I might have to get another one. Tomorrow, I'm thinking about making French onion soup. So I might do that. Sorry about that. Chris came up and was talking to me. But anyways, so yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make that for dinner tonight and see how those come out. Hopefully okay, because I only usually use steakums when I make them. So we'll see. Besides that, I recently, my health insurance is starting in February and I need to go to an, and you can't go to the allergist with the insurance I have until you go to the doctor, the primary care, and get referred. Well, I keep trying to find a primary care doctor that has an appointment in February, and they either don't or they're not answering me, which is very frustrating. And there's a doctor's office that has a lot of good reviews, and I called them last week and they said they get back to people in like 48 hours and they haven't called me back yet, and that's very frustrating. So now I'm going to have to go there tomorrow and schedule the appointment and see if they can do something, because that's annoying. And I know you might be thinking, well, if the doctor's office isn't answering you, maybe you should find someone else. There's not a lot of good ones that have 5 stars and what I'm looking for. So that's what I'm going to have to do, is just go there and force my way in to getting an appointment. So yeah, besides that, there hasn't been too much going on besides wanting to steal that cat. And they said that there's supposed to be another snow coming around Friday. We'll see what happens if it actually comes here. So that'd be a few days from now. But I'm going to get dinner started and I will video that so then I can get a few other things done tonight. Alright guys, there is dinner. I'm going to eat this with Chris and probably watch some Exploring with Josh, and then that'll probably be it for the night. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next one.